Color psychology and how it affects your brand. Have you ever wondered why Facebook and Twitter select blue as their brand color instead of purple, the color of creativity and growth? It's because they have psychology to colors. And when it comes to marketing ET branding, color psychology plays a significant role in how colors impact the way we perceive a brand. Colors have a powerful effect on our emotions, and researchers also suggest that colors improve brand recognition up to 80%. As each color has its own meaning and personality, take a look at how brands use them and what they stand for. So, number one is yellow. Yellow is the color of optimism, sunshine, and happiness. This color is the most visible to humans in daylight hours, and that's why it's grabbed people's attention. Number 2 is blue. Blue is considered a popular color due to the feeling of trust and commitment that it emulates. It is also identified with the feeling of maturity and professionalism. Number 3 is black. Black invokes a powerful, sophisticated, edgy, luxurious, and modern feeling. It is a color that makes a very powerful and striking mark, giving a feeling of superiority and strength. Number 4 is red. Red stands for passion and excitement and also signifies the importance and commands attention. Red's association with love may give it warm, soft feeling, but it's also the color of danger and fire. Number 5 is purple. Purple is considered creative and feminine. It also creates a deep association with royalty, luxury, cutting edge, and voice. Number 6 is green. Green is seen all around us and is therefore a symbol of nature, rebirth, life, health, and reawakening. It aids our mood by its calming and stress relieving effect. Number 7 is white. In marketing and branding, white is used to convey a feeling of safety, freshness, and cleanliness, as well as to create contrast. It also represents purity and innocence. So that's it for our today's video. I really hope you learned something new and valuable lesson from this video. If you do, then please subscribe to my channel for more updates and future videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.